Hello guys, so we are going to buy now the companies for this January. First company to buy, again, the company keep doing it very good, 14% yield, they keep paying the dividends, Antero, very good guys, you are doing a very good job, I'm very happy with you. Yes, $30 more for you, you deserve. Well done. This is a company to keep at the moment. Next one, another very MPLX, 11% yield. Come on guys, why you're gonna buy McDonald's or Johnson & Johnson at 2% when you can get 11 and the management is commitment with the shareholders? Another $30. My portfolio is for a very long term, so I'm not investing a lot. Now, important for me, undervalued companies with a very high prospect of good capital gains. CBOA, $30. That's new, a new company, so we can have different incomes in different parts of the year. That's another thing I want to have. The current yield is a little bit low, 1.66, but the P ratio is 19, which is quite low for such a fantastic company. And in the last years they increased the dividend 12% on average every year. So it's a matter of time you're gonna have, for what it's called yield on cost, a fantastic company, a fantastic price, and they keep paying you a very good dividend. Now, company I have been looking to buy for a long time, but today I think is the time because they changed the CEO. So that could be a good company to have in your portfolio because they're going to change the company and maybe the capital gains are going to be extraordinary and we get a little dividend, but we need a little bit of both. Yes, Intel, my new friends as well. Now, another company, that's another point I have in my list, needs to be companies because it's difficult to keep finding companies with a very high yield that now they're a good price. So I start to add a new criteria that's in the bottom of my strategy list, and it's companies who in the next 5 to 10 years the capital gains can be extraordinary and you still get some income. Okay, so Taiwan Semiconductor is one of the most promising companies at the time to build semiconductors. $30 to my friends. And now another one to buy, because they're signing a contract with Kanye West for 10 years, and I think Kanye West is an absolutely fantastic artist. Everything what Kanye West is touching is gold. It's for very long term. The recovery, shops are gonna be open. Why not? $30. That's it for now, guys. So, well, I will see you next time. I will keep you updated. See you later. And remember to, if you fancy a girl, text her right now. Speak with your parents and tell them you love them. look after your friends, and never hurt any animal. Okay? You're gonna be a lot more happy than what you think. See you later.